Alright, good morning. We're going to do just some simple maintenance today on my spinning reel. I have a kastking Emerald Eagle. Basically, it's a Valiant Eagle. It's just green highlights. And it's been a year. And it's one of my favorite reels. I truly recommend the Valiant Eagle spinning reel. This is a 3000. And we're just going to do some simple lubrication points. So let's look at this. Alright, so one of the first lubrication points, real simple, just sort of loosen the knob just a little bit. Gives you a little bit of a gap. Now, Kastking has come out with some new lubrication. This is called Quantum Hot Sauce. I will be getting the new lubrication. But in the meantime, just put a drop. Just a drop right there. A drop will do you. And just spin it. And that'll work that oil into the knob. Give that little bit of a tighten. Just where it was before. Not much. There. And that will do that. Now, with the spinning reels, you can switch the sides side to side. So let's remove our handle. There's a screw on one side. And this will expose the gearing on the left and the right side. This is where you put the oil. Now, I don't have grease. We'll do that for another episode. This is just to oil it up. There's that. Pull the shaft out. And now what we do, we have exposure right on both sides. And when you turn this, you can see it rotate on the inside there. See it rotate? So we're just going to put, spill a little oil. Just a drop. 2 drops. There we go. So now the oil's in there. Now we're going to spin it. And work that in there. So once we get that side done, we're going to do the other side. Do this side. Just 2 drops. You can see why these come in just little containers, because little lasts a long time. Now that's in there. Now we're just going to work that in. So that is that. Put the shaft back in there. Put the screw back on. Retaining screw. Now, you do it properly here. Really get it in there. That's really good, isn't it? Okay, there's one more access point we want to do, and that's the bell here. We're just going to there's a screw right here. I've already loosened it just a little bit. And we're just going to put a drop right in there. And then tighten that screw. Just that little bit. So there's that. And we've got these access points here. There we go. Just enough to loosen it, to give us that gap. We don't need to take it off. We just need a gap. So just like that, we just need a gap. So take that, and again, just one drop. I shake a little bit. One drop. There we go. Just sort of work it in there just a little bit. And then we tighten the bail back up. Just sort of work it in there. Now these are the access points for oil. We remove the spool for grease. So I don't have any grease right now, just oil. So, but this, until I get grease, Kastking does have a oil and grease combo. You know, two of these, one each, and on their website for $9.99. So, but that is awesome now. So, what do you do with that string? If you noticed on the side, see that little thing right there? That actually is a line holder. So I just loop it around there and keeps my line from getting all yucky. Alright. So, now the reason I have quantum hot sauce is because, well, until last week, Kastking didn't have lubricants. Now they got them. So, alright guys, that is smooth as silk. Now, I did do my bait casting ones, and what a big difference. What a big difference that made. My Spartacus Plus, whew, it's like butter out there. So, this is really, really good. This thing wants to take off all on its own. Now when I grease the spool, which, you know, you just remove this nut, take it apart, clean it out, and then put grease in there, this thing will be as good as new. Maybe even a little bit better. Who knows? It's got experience now. So anyway, I really hope you should be doing this probably annually. And it's been a year since I have gotten this reel, and it has been a fantastic reel. I put it on my Resolute rod, which is my favorite rod, and really is the best combo that I keep telling you guys. If you want a spinning combo, you get a Valiant Eagle 3000 and a Resolute medium fast action. You get those, you will have probably the best all-around rod in fishing. Really fantastic. So I hope this helps you guys. So real simple, Didn't take time at all. What does it take? I don't know. Does this even tell me how long? 10 minutes. So 10 minutes I've been talking to you. I've been talking more than anything. So anyway, guys, have fun. We'll see you where? Out on the water.